20 hobbies to stop scrolling and change your life forever. 1. Reading books. Reading trains your brain to focus deeply again, something scrolling destroys. It expands your thinking and exposes you to ideas that can completely change your life direction. Unlike short-form content, books force you to slow down and actually understand information. You also build patience, which is a rare skill in today's fast world. Even 10 pages a day can compound into massive knowledge over time. Start with topics that genuinely interest you, not what feels impressive. 2. Journaling. Journaling helps you understand your thoughts instead of being controlled by them. When you write, your mind becomes clearer and less chaotic. It's one of the best ways to reduce stress and overthinking. You can track your goals, habits, and emotional patterns. Over time, you start noticing what's holding you back. It's like having a conversation with yourself, but honest and powerful. 3. Learning a new language. Learning a language rewires your brain and improves memory. It also opens doors to new cultures and opportunities. Instead of consuming content, you start creating understanding. You build discipline because consistency matters more than intensity. Apps, videos, and daily practice make it easier than ever. Even 15 minutes a day can create noticeable progress. 4. Exercising. Physical movement is one of the fastest ways to improve your mental state. Exercise releases dopamine naturally, unlike social media spikes. It builds confidence as you see your body change. You also develop discipline and consistency. It doesn't have to be complicated. Even walking works. The key is showing up every day, not being perfect. 5. Meditation. Meditation trains your attention, which scrolling destroys. You learn to observe your thoughts instead of reacting instantly. It reduces anxiety and improves emotional control. Even 5 to 10 minutes daily can make a difference. Over time, you become calmer and more focused. It's like resetting your brain every day. 6. Writing, creative, or content. Writing forces you to think clearly and structure your ideas. It improves communication skills, which are essential in life. You can write stories, ideas, or even scripts like this one. It also helps you express emotions in a healthy way. Over time, your thinking becomes sharper, and you might even turn it into a career. 7. Learning a skill online. Instead of consuming random content, learn something useful. Skills like coding, design, or editing have real-world value. You start building something instead of just watching others. Progress gives you a sense of purpose. The internet becomes a tool, not a distraction. One skill can completely change your future. 8. Drawing or art improves creativity and focus at the same time. It allows you to express emotions visually. You don't need talent to start, just consistency. Over time, your skills improve naturally. It's also deeply relaxing and satisfying. Creating something feels better than consuming endlessly. 9. Cooking. Cooking is a life skill that also improves your health. You become more mindful about what you eat. It saves money and builds independence. You can experiment and be creative. It's also a great way to disconnect from screens, and sharing food with others builds connection. 10. Playing an instrument. Learning music improves brain function and discipline. It trains patience because progress is slow but rewarding. You develop rhythm, coordination, and memory. It's also a powerful emotional outlet. Even simple practice daily builds skill over time, and it gives you something unique to be proud of. 11. Walking without your phone. Walking without distractions resets your mind. It helps you think deeply and clearly. Many great ideas come during simple walks. It reduces stress and improves mood. You reconnect with reality instead of screens. Sometimes doing nothing is the most productive thing. 12. Photography. Photography makes you notice details others ignore. You become more present in your environment. It trains creativity and observation skills. Even your phone is enough to start. You begin capturing moments instead of scrolling past them. It changes how you see the world. 13. Learning video editing. Video editing turns you from a passive consumer into a creator. Instead of just watching content, you start understanding how it's made. You learn storytelling, pacing, and visual communication. This skill is extremely valuable in today's digital world. Even simple edits can grow into professional-level work over time. And if you stay consistent, it can even become a source of income. 14. Learning about finance. Understanding money changes your entire future. You learn how to save, invest, and grow wealth. Instead of wasting time, you build security. It reduces stress about the future. Small habits today lead to big results later. Financial awareness is one of the most powerful skills. 15. Reading nonfiction, self-improvement. This helps you improve your mindset and habits. You learn from people who already succeeded. It saves you years of mistakes. You start thinking differently about life. Small ideas can create big changes. Knowledge becomes your advantage. 16. Reading biographies. Biographies let you learn directly from real-life experiences. You see how successful people think, fail, and grow. It gives you perspective that social media never shows. You realize that success is built through struggle, not perfection. These stories can inspire you in a deep, realistic way, and they often teach lessons you won't find anywhere else. 17. Learning public speaking. Speaking clearly is a superpower. It builds confidence in every area of life. You learn to express ideas effectively. It helps in career, relationships, and leadership. Practice can be simple, even speaking alone. Over time, fear disappears. 18. Practicing deep work, focused study sessions. Deep work trains your brain to focus for long periods. In a world full of distractions, this becomes a superpower. You eliminate interruptions and fully commit to one task. This leads to higher quality results in less time. It also builds mental strength and discipline. The more you practice, the easier focus becomes. 19. Listening to educational podcasts. Turn passive time into learning time. Instead of mindless content, gain valuable insights. You can learn while walking or commuting. It improves thinking and awareness. Choose high-quality sources. Your environment shapes your mindset. 20. Planning your life, goal setting. Take time to think about your future. Write down what you actually want. Break it into small, actionable steps. You move from reacting to directing your life. Clarity reduces anxiety and confusion. And once you know where you're going, everything changes. Scrolling gives you quick pleasure, but leaves you empty. Hobbies require effort, but give you a real life. You don't need all 20. Just pick 2 or 3 and start today.